Welcome back to my channel, kids. In this video, we are going to solve some maths questions. Let's get started. Count the total. How many blocks are there? Can you guess? Yes, the answer is 33. Good job, kids. Can you tell what is this number? We write this number as 122. Yes, good job. What is the total of 29 and 11? Can you tell? Yes, your answer is correct. The total of 29 and 11 is 40. Good job, kids. What is 40 minus 12? Can you guess? Yes, the answer is 28. Good job, kids. Tell me, what shape is this? This is a circle. Good job, kids. Tell me, which is almost empty? A or B? The glass which is almost empty is glass number A. Good job. Tell me, how many ice creams are there altogether? Can you count and tell? Yes, the right answer is 12 ice cream. Well done. Look at this pattern carefully. Can you guess which image will come next? We have got one blue, two blacks. One blue, two blacks. What color will come next? Yes, the blue color image will come next. Well done, kids. Can you count and tell me how many blocks are there? Yes, the right answer is 67 blocks. Good job, kids. Let's see the next one. Can you write this number for me? The number is 211. How do we write this number? Yes, we write this number as 211. 211. Good job. What is 40 and 60 together? 40 and 60 makes it 100. Well done, kids. Can you tell the time here? What is the time? The time here is 8 o'clock. Good job, kids. What is 72 minus 5? 72 minus 5 is 67. Good job, children. You're playing it really well. What about this shape? The name of the shape is cone. It's a cone. Let's move to the next one. Look at both the boys. Who is taller here? The boy in the blue shirt or the boy in the yellow shirt? Yes, the right answer is the boy in the blue shirt. Good job, kids. Let's move to the next one. Can you count and tell how many blocks are there? Yes, the right answer is 25. There are 25 blocks here. How many total? Can you tell? The right answer is 17, 14 and 21. Good job, kids. Now look at this number pattern. The numbers are 3, 6, 9, 12 and what do you think? Which number will come next? So the next number in the pattern will be number 15. Good job, kids. Now I have got a word problem for you. Mr. Farmer has 36 pigs and 12 of them escaped. How many pigs does he have now? What do you think? The right answer is 24. Good job, kids. Now, you have to count again and tell me how many blocks are there? Yes, the right answer is 79 blocks. Well done, everyone. Now, can you write this number for me? The number is 463. How do we write this number? We write this number as 463. Good job. Now I have got this question. What is 12 and 18 together? 12 and 18 makes it 30. Good job. What if I take away 13 from 20? The right answer will be 7. Yes, 20 minus 13 is 7. What do you think? What shape is this? The shape is a cube. It's a cube. Good job, kids. Okay, now look at this clock and tell me what is the time here? The time here is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Look at these 3 glasses. What do you think? Which glass is almost full? Glass A, glass B, glass C. The right answer is glass B. Good job. Now count and tell me how many sticks are there. There are 12 sticks and 10 sticks together. Very well done, kids. You're playing it really well. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned so many things about numbers. This is it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye everyone.